How to group objects in Blender. Well, the first thing you need to know is that they're not called groups anymore. For those of you who have worked with Blender before, they're called collections now. So once we got that out of the way, we can go on with the tutorial. So here's our cube. We have only one physical object right now, so let's create another one. We go to add, and now I can go to mesh and choose another object. Let's go with a cone, for example, so we can tell them apart more easily, like that. And now what I need to do is go to the right hand side here where all my objects live, and here where it says scene collection, I'm just gonna right click on that and select new collection, or something else you can do. You can select both of the objects and press M on your keyboard, and now you can create a new collection like that and name it whatever you want, and click OK. And now you can see the two objects are in a different collection. They're still separate objects. You can select each one of them separately. And if you want to select the whole collection all together, if you have multiple objects, you just go to the collection and you right click on it and then go to select objects, and that will select all the objects. So if you have like hundreds of objects in that collection, that's an easy way to select all of them. And now I can move them around. For example, if I press G on my keyboard, that's the grab option. I can grab them and move them around wherever I want to. And that's it. That's how you can group objects in Blender. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.